Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I will explain the chapter Wonder Left Word. I have told you already that August is a good boy and a small kid, and he thinks that he was not an ordinary boy, but her parents think that he is not an ordinary boy, but he is an extraordinary boy. So his mother homeschooled him so that he cannot suffer from any problem, and he says that I am like the all other student. I also eat ice cream. I also eat rice and etc. etc. He wants to tell that he was a he was an ordinary boy, not an extraordinary. But anyone don't believe him, and this is the whole story about this. And this is because of his multiple surgeries in his body, and he looks some different from the other student. In this story, he explains about his experience, about his parents, and about the thinking of his friends. His name is August and his friend's name is Summer. Summer supports his friend, but other students of his class don't support him. He teaches him again and again, and they put the different name of that student. But Summer, his friend says, you are a saint. It's not a big deal. I answered her truthfully. Julian had nicknamed him the zombie kid, but this is not proper. He says that he is a good kid and I know him very well. He was funny and he jokes with us, and we all spend more than 1 hour per day. I have ever seen, but just a kid, I do admit. August's face takes some getting used to. I have been sitting with him for 2 hours, for 2 weeks now, and let's just say he is not the neatest eater in the world. But also say that I don't really feel sorry for him anymore. I know she is not always so good at faking her feelings, and August was coming over for the first time today. But I could tell from the expression on her face when she came home after work that I hadn't prepared her enough. The main thing I have is this thing called mandibulofacial dysostosis, which took me forever to learn how to pronounce, by the way. But I also have this other syndrome thing that I can't even pronounce. This is my main problem, because I can't pronounce yet any word in my own words together into one big super thing, which is so rare they don't even have a name for it. This is the surprise. This is the wonder. I mean, I don't want to brag or anything, but I am actually considered something of a medical wonder. And you know, he smiled. That was a joke. He was joking just to his friend Summer. He said, "You can laugh." I smiled and shook my head. "You are funny again," I said. His friend Summer says that I have said that you are a funny friend again. "Yes, I am," he said very proudly. "Yes, I am. I am funny, and I think you like my fun." So, my dear student, this is the brief explanation of this story, and further I will tell you about the exercise. First exercise, based on your reading of the story, you have to fill in the blanks. So let's start. First, August knew he was not an kid. You have to fill in this. Which type of kid August was? August knew he was not an ordinary kid. Ordinary kid. However, he ordinary. You have to fill in this by the understanding of the story. However, he felt ordinary. He was ordinary, but he doesn't think that he was an ordinary boy, because every person behave him like an extraordinary boy because of his multiple surgeries. And the third, this was because he did things like other kids. He can do everything like other kids. And the next, first time other children were screaming. First time all the children were screaming by seeing the face of August, because it was different from other students because of his multiple surgeries in his face, or you can say in his body. And the next, Vaya. Who is Vaya? Vaya is his sister. Had to protect him from other people's rudeness, rude behavior. Here we will fill rudeness, and this is the answers that you have to fill in the blanks. So, dear student, I think this is the enough for today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.